Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today we are going to discuss quadratic equations of class 10th. Some definitions guys. What is a quadratic equation? An equation is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 where a comma b comma c belongs to R, that is real number set, and a is not equal to 0 is called the quadratic equation. Okay, and if suppose a equal to 0, then it becomes a linear equation guys. Okay, the numbers, second point, the numbers a comma b comma c are called the coefficients of the quadratic equation. So whatever the x square coefficient, is a, what a x coefficient is b, what a constant, so this a b c are called the coefficient of the quadratic equation. That may be either positive or negative, or it can be any fraction, it can be of any real numbers. Coming to third one, roots of the quadratic equation. Let p of x be the quadratic equation, then the zeros of the polynomial p of x are called roots of the equation p of x equal to 0. Okay, if x equal to alpha is the root of p of x equal to 0 if and only if p of alpha equal to 0. That means, see, suppose we have taken a quadratic equation, then after finding the factors for that, so we can split into two factors, right? So we'll get two x values. Okay, there is nothing but the x value, there is nothing but the alpha value, roots. Okay, whatever the values we got for splitting the quadratic equation, those are the zeros of the polynomials and also roots of the quadratic equation guys. So whatever that we got, splitting the terms into two factors, right? Because the quadratic equation, the highest power is 2, right? So we can split into two factors. So whatever the x value we got, if you substitute that value in the given quadratic equation, we get 0. That is called the 0 of the polynomial, or we can say it's a root of the quadratic equation. Therefore, the fourth point is the roots of the quadratic equation is a complex number alpha such that a alpha square plus b alpha plus c equal to 0. Okay, I hope you understand these points. In the next video, we are going to cover few more points. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for new videos. Thank you.